Within the human system, because of the nature of planet's relationship with the sun and the moon, certain things are happening in the human system. What is considered as the last quarter of the night? We consider from sunset to sunrise as the night. The last quarter of the night, at that time there are physiological changes happening in the system. They've even found the waste material in your body, like your urine for example, at that time has qualities which it doesn't have at any time of the day. There's substantial research into this these days. So the entire body is in a certain conducive atmosphere. There is a natural production of what is called as melatonin, which is a secretion of the pineal gland. So the pineal gland is at the highest level of secretion in the last quarter of the night. So we want to make use of this. So anywhere between 3:30 to 6 or 5:30 or whatever the time the sunrise happens is considered Brahma Muhurtam because your pineal gland is at its highest level of secretion. That means you can stabilize. In modern medicine, it is seen as a mood stabilizer. Well, I've been talking about bringing yourself to ease. Bringing yourself to ease means that you are not a fluctuation, you are at ease. This is naturally happening at a certain time. At that time, people want to sit up and do their spiritual processes so that they get the best benefit. So that is labeled as Brahma Muhurtam or the time of the creator. Or you can look at it this way, it is a time when you can create yourself, you can make yourself the way you want yourself to be. So you become the Brahman in the morning so that you will make yourself the way you want yourself to be.